Hi everyone, I'm Melissa and I'm standing here in the Foursquare Garden that is run by the Institute at Renfrew in Renfrew Park, Waynesboro. And today for our garden chat, we're going to talk a little bit about compost. So I have some compost in my hand in this bucket here. Compost is the black gold of gardening. This is what plants love more than pretty much anything else. So I'll start with the overview of what compost is and how to make it, and then just quickly why it works so well as a fertilizer. So compost is just broken down natural material. If you think of the forest floor with leaves and all kind of plant debris falling onto the ground, onto the forest floor every day, it's breaking down and it's becoming food to feed those same plants once again. So compost is really easy to make at home or anywhere, and definitely the Pennsylvania Germans who had gardens like this one, they would have known this and they wouldn't have let anything go to waste. So all you really have to do is pile up organic matter. You pile up your food scraps, your carrot tops, or whatever you can't eat of vegetables. You pile up the weeds that you pull out of your garden. You can even compost your leaves. You can compost anything that's organic matter. And definitely if you have livestock, you can compost manure too. But when you place it all into a pile, nature goes to work, breaks it down and turns it into this really rich soil. There's two types of composting that happens. On large scale operations, it would be bacterial composting, which can get really hot. The inside of the pile can actually get up to 200 degrees, and it will actually kill all of the weed seeds, which is beneficial if you don't want to spread weeds. But most small compost piles that people have in their yards they rely on insects and fungus to break down the material. So a lot of times if you dig into it, you'll see all this white stringy stuff running through it, and that's all of the fungal mycelium, the parts of the fungus breaking it down. Compost is a much better alternative. It's a much better fertilizer than most other fertilizers. People who rely on synthetic fertilizers to feed their plants, those are made from minerals and things that aren't renewable resources. And also the process of producing synthetic fertilizers uses salts. So you're actually increasing the salt content in your soil when you add those year after year. This is what nature does, and it's been working for as long as nature's been around. So this is what we do here in our garden. One last benefit of compost, besides just the nutrient qualities of it, are the organic matter qualities. All of that plant material, the organic matter, is really good at holding moisture into your soil. So you actually don't have to water your plants as much when you have really rich, compost rich soil. So hope you learned something with this garden chat, and hope to see you out here at Renfrew sometime.